Hey, it's Mike, and today I want to talk about should you invest in altcoins? Altcoins have had an incredible run over the past couple of weeks, and I think there's a lot of people who are thinking about getting into altcoins for the first time. So I just wanted to share my thoughts. So why am I talking about altcoins? So here are the five biggest altcoin gainers from April 5th to April 12th. So that was in the past week. We have KuCoin token, Bitcoin Gold up triple digits. We have XRP Ripple up almost 100%, Binance Coin up 68%, Pancake Swap up 65%. Obviously, when you have gains like this, you're going to get a lot of new investors who want to make a quick killing, get into altcoins. And so, like I said, let me just share my thoughts right here. Should you invest in altcoins? Well, in altcoins, what is an altcoin? For a lot of people who are probably going to invest it, don't even know what it is. It's a cryptocurrency that's outside of the Bitcoin family. So if it's not Bitcoin, it's pretty much an altcoin, even though you have coins like Ethereum that are getting so big, they're almost like a Bitcoin themselves. Now, many altcoins are hitting new highs and outperforming Bitcoin. Also, Bitcoin dominance has gone down and down. So that means that the altcoins are getting a bigger share of the cryptocurrency market. So that's getting a lot of interest from new investors to get into altcoins. So should you invest? Now, personally, I will never invest in any coin that I don't understand, and I don't understand a lot of the altcoins. The only coin I'm invested in right now is Bitcoin. I may go into Ethereum, but I understand Bitcoin. I've done a lot of research about it. That's why I invest. Now, when I talk about investing, I talk about holding the asset for the long term. I'm going to hold Bitcoin forever. Some of these altcoins I would never hold forever. That being said, also, most of the coins don't have a real defined function like Bitcoin, so that creates another issue. However, if you're a good technical trader, then you can invest in anything and make a profit or trade. I think the best way to say it, I wouldn't say invest, but trade in anything. If you know how to read charts, you can do that. But that being said, short-term trading in stocks is better because the trading behavior is better defined. We don't have a long track record with altcoins, so we don't know if they're going to adhere to the patterns of hitting new 52-week highs and moving higher, or hitting 52-week lows and moving lower, or handling, how they break out of an ascending triangle, descending triangle, a symmetrical triangle. With stocks, you just have a clearly defined track record. So, if it comes down to being a short-term trader in altcoins or in stocks, I personally think it's better to be in stocks because there's just a better track record in history, while altcoins could be completely unpredictable as far as where they go. Also know that investing for the long term has a better track record. That's why you should always make the core of your portfolio in long-term investing, because you're more likely to get a profit, where short-term trading, yeah, you can make a huge profit, but you can also hit a huge loss, and that could really affect the volatility of your portfolio. So, the thing I would recommend is make sure at least 80 to 90% of your portfolio is dedicated to long-term trading. Only use 10% to 20% of your portfolio. And let me stress, unleveraged in investing for the short term. So I would not use 10% and 20% of your portfolio, then leverage 2x or 5x, because that could, kill your trade very quickly. And dedicate no more than 1 to 2% of your portfolio in an altcoin trade if you're deciding to do it. So if you're going to put your money in altcoins, do not invest. I would say make more of a short-term trade, especially if you don't understand what the altcoin does, and dedicate no more than 1 to 2% of your portfolio per altcoin trade. And ideally, you're going to want to pick an altcoin that you kind of understand what it does. I would not just look at the technicals, because, like I said, altcoins do not behave like stocks. They could be completely unpredictable. Some news could come out. You could have altcoin newsletters that are pumping up an altcoin, and you don't even know that you're buying into a pump, and it could get dumped at any time. So just be really careful if you're going to trade into these altcoins. I know there's a lot of interest in it, but like I said, no more than 1 to 2%. Make it a short-term trade, not a long-term investment, and have like really defined profit targets, so you could get in and out to make sure you're not caught in an altcoin pump, or you're not caught if the entire altcoin market decides to reverse. So just want to share my thoughts there. Like I said, for the record, I'm only invested in Bitcoin. If I'm going to expand outside Bitcoin, I'll probably look at Ethereum, because those two I understand really well. A lot of these altcoins, I don't even know what they do. That being said, look for altcoins for a trade rather than an investment, and have only 1 to 2% and define targets. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, stock trading strategies, and market updates. Thanks a lot. Bye.